Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make tea tree toner at home. This natural solution offers fantastic benefits for your skin. Tea tree oil is renowned for its powerful antiseptic properties, making it excellent for combating blemishes and reducing inflammation. Using this homemade toner can help balance oily skin and promote a clearer, healthier complexion, all with simple, natural ingredients you likely have or can easily find. To begin, gathering your ingredients is key. You'll need pure tea tree essential oil, which is the star of our toner. For the base, distilled water or witch hazel works perfectly. If you want an extra soothing touch, a small amount of aloe vera gel is a wonderful addition. Finally, ensure you have a clean, dark glass spray bottle to store your finished toner, protecting it from light. Now for the simple mixing steps. The general rule is to combine 1 part tea tree oil with 9 parts of your chosen base, like distilled water. For instance, you could use 10 drops of tea tree oil for every 100 milliliters of water. If you're including aloe vera gel, add about 1 teaspoon. Once combined, shake the mixture thoroughly to ensure everything is well blended before each use. Using your new toner is easy. After cleansing your face, apply a small amount to a cotton pad and gently wipe it over your skin. You can use this toner once or twice daily. For optimal freshness and efficacy, store your homemade tea tree toner in a cool, dark place away from direct sunlight. Remember to discard any unused portion after 2 weeks to ensure potency.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.